Okay, Molly, get over here. Today I'm going to be doing my daughter's hair. Molly, come here. Not that close. Turn around. Yes, it's long. Come here. Come here a little bit. Okay, yes, it's long. It's going to be unicorn hair. And it's going to be 3 different colors. It goes all the way down to her butt, past her butt. But she likes it, and it's the summertime. It's the beginning of the summer. She's not going to wear this to school. Yep. It's just for summer. Okay, pull it in the front, Molly. Okay, that's how it looks in the front so far. You can see the unicorn colors. And these are the 3 colors that we're going to be using. We're going to be using purple, hot pink, and then it goes into a light pink. And then light pink, and then dark purple, and then a blue that we're going to use. I already done put 1 pack, and here's the other half that I have. You're going to need combs. I got 3 sides of combs because the big one is to make sure she ain't got no tangle off in her hair, and the small one is to part her hair. And you're going to need a water bottle. And my water bottle got oil off in it. It got peppermint oil. So I'm spreading this on her hair so her hair won't get tangled. And you're going to need some type of stuff to put on her hair to make her hair soft, conditioner. And this is what I'm using to make her hair soft. And that's basically it. I will be back to show you how I braid her hair in, and we'll be back. Okay, I'm finished with the back of her hair, and she got pink, black, purple, light pink, dark purple, light purple in her hair right now. And will you stop moving? Sorry. And this is how it looks. It is long and it is beautiful. Look at that. She love it. Look, she got her long hair. She's just loving it right now. She's going straight to her head. Okay, I'm going to start getting on the sides. Start doing the sides of her hair. And then like when I get to the very top, I will show you how I braided her hair in. So stay tuned. Okay, I just finished Molly's hair. Molly, you is not my mom. Come here. Okay, I finished Molly's hair, and it's unicorn colors. You can see where her hair in at. And yes, it's going past her butt, but who cares? It's the summer anyway. And she's just going to be wearing this for the summer. It's not for school, because she can't wear these colors for school. Molly, you going to turn around so they can see your hair? She's being weird. It's unicorn colors. If y'all like this video, Molly, what are you doing?
I'm shutting the door.
If y'all like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe at the bottom and hashtag Molly. And we see y'all later. Bye. Oh, and we will be putting some pictures off in the we will be putting some pictures up so y'all can see her hair. Bye.